the go. Join Crypto NFTs chat below for mini giveaways and daily updates.
Sandbox is about to be added later on today to Coinbase. So right now, they're actively taking in the transfers. So I believe you can go ahead and start taking in the transfers of Sandbox, but you're not going to be able to trade it. Excuse me. They're not going to be able to trade it until on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, Thursday, May 26th, which is today. And is this going to be a buy or is this going to not be a buy? I don't know. I'm going to let you guys know that today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to be entered to win $100 in free crypto. I'll be giving that away once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can be, have a chance to win that, so you can make some freaking money out here. Too much going on in this economy for you not to be making no money. Hey, look. All right, so Sandbox right here is at $1.47. It's already up 13% with just the anticipation that is going to be added to Coinbase today. We don't even know. They said that it depends on the liquidity of everything and blah, 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 blah. So they may or may not even add it yet. But just the fact that they're talking about adding it today is making the price already go up. So they can't even buy it on there yet. And Coinbase has a large population of people already on there. I don't have any Sandbox myself, even though I've been kind of scouting it and like maybe I'll get some or whatever. But I think I had to like swap or something to be able to get those types of coins, and like certain ones like that, I had to spend a lot of money because of the gas fees be too high. So I didn't really feel like it was worth it. But now that it's on Coinbase, is it a buy? Well, I don't know if you should go and hop on this right now at this instant, because as you can see, like we got this huge jump right here just with the anticipation that it's going to be added to Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, and their trading services. But at the same time, even though we see this spike and normally you shouldn't buy when it's green and all that stuff, you have one or two options. You can wait, because right now, like, I feel like the market, with the way Bitcoin is going down, we all know that most of the things are tagged to Bitcoin. So the way things are looking like with Bitcoin, all right. So we know it's consolidating right now. It looks like it's going up, but to be honest, I really don't even see this thing hitting past like 30K really anytime soon. Unless we go and hold above 34K, then I don't see us like really steadily trying to go up. And then like for the downside, unless we're holding below like 28.5K, like we need to close below that and like, you know what I'm saying? Hold that for a couple of days. And I definitely can see us going down. Some people are calling 8K, and to me, they're out of their mind. But right now, the way that this is moving, is kind of moving slightly down. Like I can try to zoom in down closer right there, but it won't even let me. So yeah, right now I don't really see that. So going back to Sandbox right now, you have the one or two options. You can either go ahead and buy as soon as it's on there, which is going to be in the green a lot tomorrow or today, because people are going to be buying. But you can look at the overall 90-day and be like, hey, March I could have been buying at $3.78. That's, you know what I'm saying? It's less than half of that now. So you have a chance to double your money, and that's not even all-time high of 751. So right now, the overall trend of this is looking like it's about to go down and meet like this range again, which I mean is pretty much already there. So if you're starting the dollar cost average into this, may or may not even be such a bad idea right now, especially given what they're capable of. I just went over to their site because I haven't even really been on it like that, to be honest with you. But I went over to their site and I was pretty impressed. Like I know exactly what they do, and the information and the technology that's behind this. There's a lot of like play to earn type of things and stuff like that. You can go ahead and here, and they got the Web3 things already on there, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet. So that's what I was saying, like where you had to swap to get Coinbase, like you Uniswap, and there was gas fees and stuff like that. So now you can just trade on Coinbase. And there was something that I was looking for right here in the market. You got their marketplace with all their NFTs for sale. And these are creators that can come in here and create their games and Other just NFTs, you don't even have to be an owner of the game in order to create an NFT on here. I was trying to find where I saw earlier, I think it was in the about somewhere, but yeah, it's just like it's really amazing. Like a lot of this is just like you're playing to earn, right? You'll play, you can trade amongst like the other NFTs. So let's say you had like a sword or something like that. Let's go to the marketplace and let's just kind of like surf through here. Let's just click something random. So this is one game right here. So they got all these little things like a little car right here. And I from what I read from their white papers, you had to have been like like have a certain amount of coins or stake or something in order to be a creator. That's what I got from it. But I also was the way that I was reading it was that anybody can create, you know what I'm saying, like can customize and create like their own types of things to sell for as NFTs because that's the issue with the current marketplace of gaming is that it's so centralized with everything. Like for example, you know how this kind of looks like what's that game called, Minecraft, how everything kind of looks like Minecraft. But you know speaking of Minecraft, everything's so centralized with that. You couldn't just go in there and have your own type of sword or whatever and be trading with them. Or Call of Duty, Call of Duty used to be like my favorite game ever, and I used to play that from sun up to sundown. By the way, my favorite was probably COD 4. But yeah, I used to have days played in there. And imagine if you was able to come into Call of Duty and create your own guns. And, they were able to do that. Yeah, you could create it. You could customize it a little bit. But it's not the same. You're not able to sell it or trade or buy someone else's like, yo, I like the way you got that customized. Like, let me go ahead and get that little Snoop Dogg OG Tactical or something like that. You know what I'm saying? And they just got loads of things in here. And the land, you can make money off the land just by staking. So when you stake, it's like you're making money off of whatever land it is on here. So right now it's connected to OpenSea, and that's how you can go on there to like purchase it. But yeah, man, they're just making all this stuff for the metaverse. Like you got sneakers on here, you got a scientist sword, and these are real assets. You're going on here and buying real assets. Okay, like that you can trade, excuse me, that you can trade amongst other people. So is this a buy? Yes, a buy. But if you want to come in here and you don't want to buy in the green, you want to wait for a little bit better, I would say wait until the hype is done off of Coinbase and that whole thing. Because like I said, the market, everybody's calling for it to go lower. Of course, that doesn't mean that it is. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But you could wait a couple of days or a week or something, wait for all that hype to go down. Or you could just dollar cost average in now. Wait, do what you want. But Sandbox overall is definitely a buy. Market cap has come down significantly at 1.7 billion now. Still not as large as some others. And just like some of the competitors of this is Decentraland, they're sitting at around $1 as well, and their market cap is pretty similar to that of Sandbox. So they're pretty much competitors. So if you're in trying to diversify and things like that, you could have these two to be able to do that. So that's all I got for you guys today. Right now, market's looking pretty like it's consolidating. It wants to go down, it wants to go up. Don't get caught in a bunch of these little loops with Bitcoin and stuff. Just make sure you're being smart. Dollar cost average. Of course, really go heavy like on those red days and things like that. But don't focus too much on the green and start chasing green and stuff. Just know that there are good opportunities out here. Go check out my channel if you want to learn more about the opportunities. I did video a few days ago or like last week, and I gave out like 10 different coins that are gonna like freaking 4 or 5x like each of them. So go check that out if you want to know more about that. But yeah, there's a lot of opportunities out here. Don't let them pass you up, but at the same time, don't be out here chasing green. Just dollar cost average, play the long term game, and I'll see you guys.